Can I get a clear sign from the universe, my spirit guides, in minutes? Is this what you wanted to show? Yes. I got a big yes. Guided by my glasses, we're about to find out. Yes, it is very, very weird. So this morning I had my morning meeting with the universe. You can check that down below if you want to. It says morning meeting or something, how I do it. And I intended that after 12 o'clock I would start here in this area of Coraleco in Fuerteventura, and I would be guided by my glasses towards something that is a sign or a message for me. Because I know that a lot of people are struggling with communication with the spirit world. There's no one there. Nothing is happening. It's a wall of silence. They don't exist, right? So let's see if we can get some kind of message by being guided with these. So they move back and forth like that. When I move forward and I move sideways, oops, and they move sideways when I'm about to make a turn. So this way I can be guided in the streets. So let's ask, is it this way? No. Is it this way? Yes. So let's go. I will of course edit this. It's not fun to just watch me walking the streets of Coraleco, Fuerteventura. And now we're come to a potential crossing, right? So I ask, is it straight ahead? And I also ask, is it making a left turn? No. So it's straight ahead. And that's really the method. So if you start to do this yourself, just hold your glasses. It's better to show you. That's a sideways or a no for me. And this is a yes or forward. So if you want to, you can just put your glasses on the finger like this and ask what is a yes, and it will probably go this way. But I think it's better to ask what is a yes than to decide what is a yes. But for me this is like nodding, right? And sideways is like shaking my head. And I'm doing it myself now, right? So the more I move, the more it moves, the bigger the yes, the more enthusiastic or correct. Anything else I want to share? I think that's it. Yeah. Don't ask your glasses if you're gonna marry this person or something. If I'm gonna move across country or quit my job or whatever. No. This is a fun thing. It's a fun way to communicate with your guides, but you are in charge in this lifetime. Everything is guidance. You decide. We don't know for sure who's doing this. Well, science tells us that it's the ideal motor effect. Small muscles in the arm moving, but we're not doing it consciously. You're doing it unconsciously or subconsciously. And we really don't know what the subconscious is. I think it could be connected to spirits, but to the spirit world. But don't trust your life with it, okay? Have fun with it. So now it's a new crossing. So we ask, is it straight ahead? And that's a big yes. And we can ask, is it straight ahead? No. That means straight ahead. I see something weird. We're gonna look at it because it's so weird. I don't know if this is it. What they're gonna show me. Look at this. What the? Oh, it's good. That is maybe the best advertising I've seen in my whole life. Is this what you wanted to show? Yes. I got a big yes. Okay. It's a vibrator museum in Coraleco. I didn't know they have that. The sign says waiting for Mr. Perfect. Yeah. And she waited. Oh, it's here. This is the vibrator museum. So she waited so long for Mr. Perfect that she died and became just a skeleton. Yeah, funny. So the message, well, it's funny. It's a success. So it is. So now we can ask, right? So it's funny. It's a really cool thing. But we can ask: is the message take action in life? Yes, but not a big yes. It's the less windy here. Is the message? Is the message that we should just go on with our lives and not wait for perfection? Yeah, that's a bigger yes, much bigger yes. To be independent, would that be a message? Yeah, that's a smaller one. Now I guess we're here in many cases because of relationships, right? I think when I cross over, my life review will be, well, you spent a lot of time alone, didn't you, Terry? What's that all about? You missed out on emotions and connections and, yeah. So, no, but, yeah. Do you have any other strong message that we haven't touched on? No. A big no. So maybe not the strongest message, but really funny. Really funny. Thank you so much. Oh, this is great. Oh man, thank you. If you want to learn more about the Speak Up method, how I did this in my morning meeting, just check the link below. See ya. My intention is the birds be quiet. It's gone. Mosquitoes or fly or whatever. Well, they're gone now. Usually nothing available here. Thank you. Oh yeah. I feel a cold breeze.
Terry in the garden sun. Terry in the garden sun.
And 15 seconds later, the nauseous feeling was gone. Magic, man, magic. Please support me, guys.